Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Did I say good evening to all of you today?
No, ma'am.
Did I say good evening by mistake today?
No.
In the beginning, what did I say? I said good morning only.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, today's weather is so cold and so windy.
Yes, it is so pleasant today. It's not cold, but it's pleasant. But I'm still sweating.
Yes.
I don't know why. It's so humid.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
And
beta. Good
my,
morning.
and my mother gifted me a gift yesterday.
Wow, that's so wonderful. What did you get in the gift?
Hula hoop.
Huh?
A hula hoop.
Hula hoop, very nice. So you know,
What is hula hoop?
it's a very big ring that you have to twist around yourself. Are you able to do that, Yashmin?
I also have hula hoop. I have that ring. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I am able to do it. I am
You
able
also
to
know
do
how to do it.
able to do it. That ring, sorry. Ma'am, I also able to do it. Ma'am, I
Very
also
nice.
able to do hula hoop. Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, this is a
Today you
this
all
is a
have to
hula.
do. Today you have to do hula hoop, all of you,
Ma'am, this is a hula
for
hoop.
40 minutes.
Ma'am, I
This is
don't
the
have hula.
Ah, beta, I'm just kidding.
you
I'm
have to
just
do
kidding.
it
I
for
know.
all class.
No, I'm just kidding. You're not supposed to do this. Okay. Did you complete? Were you able to complete your yesterday's worksheet?
Yes, ma'am, I complete. Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
How many of you could complete? Just
Ma'am,
raise your hand. Okay, just wait. Now wait. I will talk to fourth C like this. Now I will talk to fourth C like this. Fine? Nobody will be able to speak. How many of you could not complete your worksheet? Only those students will raise their hands. Those who could not complete the worksheet yesterday, raise your hands. Okay, all of you, I think, have done it. Those who have done the worksheet, raise your hands. Samar, I can't see your hand in any of the things. Neither you've done nor it's incomplete. Just write in the chat box and tell me. Jaskaran, what about you? I can't see your hand. Ma'am, I have completed Shaurya Tyagi. Okay. I'm asking to Jaskaran. Jaskaran's hand is not raised here also and there also. Mokshit Mishra, what about you? Mokshit, have you completed your worksheet? Yes, your hand is there. Okay. Fine. Now let's just discuss the worksheet. Shall we discuss it? All the answers. Let's see if our answers are correct or maybe we've done something wrong. Read out the first sentence. Okay, no, you will not read. You will type in the chat box. Fine. Yatharth Singh. Yatharth Singh, beta, please type the first one in the chat box. Just put the number 1 dot and type the entire sentence. Arav Gupta, type the second one. Samarth Singh, type the third one. Ashray, type the fourth one. Let's just check these 4. Ma'am, I have not done 11th. Akhya Goyal. Okay, Akhya, you have just left the 11th one in between. Okay. I have done. History. Beta, Yatharth, you're supposed to type the whole sentence. What was the whole sentence? Dash tells us about the events that happened in the past. Type the full sentence. Hurry up, let's just finish this revision in 2 minutes. Now, Shaurya Tyagi, what is timeline? Just cross it. There is no answer like timeline there. History is divided into 3 parts. Ashray Agarwal. Which sentence is
Excuse me,
this?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, please tell this one. Ma'am, I have not done the worksheet.
I will send it again. Beta, did you check the work in D group yesterday? The worksheet was sent there.
Seen.
Yes?
Ma'am, I am seen.
You have seen now, so you have to do it. Dash tells us about events that had once happened. That's history. Who was supposed to type sentence number 2? Arav Gupta? Where is second sentence? Where is sentence number 2? Kanav Mittal, timeline tells us, no, beta, timeline does not tell us about the events that had once happened. Timeline tells us about the order of the events. History tells us about the events that took place in the past. What does a timeline tell us? Timeline shows us the order in which, the sequence in which the events took place. Is that correct? But something that had happened in the past, we come to know through history. Yes,
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
go beta. Sentence number 2, I think Arav Gupta is not typing. Okay, now I'll do one thing. Yes. Now, second sentence was a dash is a person who lived, no, a dash is a person who specializes in the study of history. Who is that person? Who is that person? Everybody will type the answer in the chat box now. All of you have to type. Very good, Shaurya. Very good, Samarth, Akshadha, Yashmit. Very nice. Arav Gupta. Very good. Atharv Gupta. Very good. Naman, Akhya, Arav. Historian. Shobit. Very nice. A historian is a person who specializes in the study of history. Very good, Kunal, Yuvraj, Yatharth. Now, coming on to the next one. And dash is a person who lived long ago. Who is that person who lived long ago? Very nice, Akshada. Shaurya, Samarth, no Vamika. Jashmit, Akhya, Jaskaran, Arav, Naman. Very good. Everybody. Ancestor is a person who lived long ago. An ancestor is a person. Then history is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. Wonderful. Everybody knows history is divided into 3 parts, into 3 periods. The dash period starts from the time when life began on the earth. Very good. Dash period starts from the time when life began on earth. It's the ancient period. Okay. In the 6th one, the answer was there. The 2 sources of history are dash and dash sources. Now, which are the 2 sources of history? Very good. One is literary source and the other is archaeological. Archaeological sources and literary sources. Clear? Good. Very nice. Then dash and dash are 2 great epics. What and what are 2 great epics? Very nice. Ramayana and Mahabharata are 2 great epics. Dash is the study of ancient remains. Very nice, Shaurya. Very quick, huh? Dash is the study of ancient remains. Very good. The answer is archaeology. Archaeology is the study of ancient remains. Dash, dash, and dash are the examples of archaeological sources. Now you can write any according to your choice. Very good. Monuments, buildings, coins, fossils, palaces, sculptures, very nice. You can also add paintings, pillars, forts, wonderful. Any 3 out of these. Then, ancient buildings built by humans are called monuments. Ancient buildings built by humans are monuments. Dash are engraved messages on pillars, temples, forts, plates, etc. Inscriptions. Inscriptions are engraved messages. Then, the study of inscriptions is, what is the study of inscriptions called? Epigraphy. Very nice. Epigraphy is the study of inscriptions. Literary sources can be dash and dash in nature. Now, literary sources. Let me see who can type the correct answer. Very nice, Samarth. Very nice, Kanav. Very nice, Arhan, Akshadha. Literary sources can be religious also and they can be non-religious also in nature. The dash is an example of non-religious text. What is an example of non-religious text? Non-religious written record. Can you tell me? Non-religious. It can be biography, it can be autobiography, because these are not religious. So they are asking one example of non-religious text. You can either write biography or autobiography. Then, and dash is a self-written story. Very good. Autobiography is a self-written story, a story written on oneself. It is autobiography. So that's all. That's the end of this worksheet. Now tell me, honestly tell me, how many wrongs? How many made mistakes? How many of your answers were wrong? Yes, now you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, my
Two.
ma'am,
Two are
I
wrong.
leave one. Ma'am, I leave one.
Answer is, ma'am, first answer is,
Ma'am, ma'am, my two were wrong and one I left.
I left. Okay, very good. What about others?
my answer is also wrong.
Okay.
one answer is wrong.
One answer.
Ma'am,
Is,
my all answer is one wrong.
all answer is one wrong, or all answers are correct, only one is wrong?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, only one is wrong. Okay, very nice. Now, let's get ready for another worksheet.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
ready for another worksheet? Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, all chapters will come. Sorry, all answer is, all question answer will. Our chapter is finished.
yes, beta. We have completed 4 chapters, right? We have done 4 chapters. We have done all the question answers, everything from these
Ma'am,
4
please
chapters.
send all of SSG.
Beta, I have already sent on D group, Palvini. The work is already there. Okay, now everybody take out your social studies copies, write down today's date and write down worksheet as the topic.
Ma'am, I have written.
Written, good. Let me share the pic with you.
Ma'am. Ma'am, please doing a oral worksheet. Ma'am, can you please send the work on WhatsApp?
ma'am,
Okay, you want me to send the worksheet on WhatsApp?
no, ma'am, please share screen.
Ma'am, please send WhatsApp. Ma'am, please send on WhatsApp.
No,
Okay,
ma'am,
beta,
please
wait.
share
Let
the
me
Ma'am,
take.
please tell the answer of the 16th one and the 15th one.
Okay, read out the
16th one.
16th one, beta. Read it out.
Ma'am, the 16th one is history sources. Ma'am, N is a self-written story.
Self-written story and autobiography. What is an autobiography? It's a self-written record, a story written on oneself, isn't it?
And ma'am, the 14th one.
Read it out.
Okay, ma'am. History sources can be or dash in nature.
They can be literary sources. Literary sources can be dash and dash in nature. They can be religious and non-religious.
Okay, ma'am.
Now check your class group. Everyone has got, sorry, I have sent the worksheet on the class group, and now here also I'm sharing the screen. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, can you all see?
Also.
Yes, of course. You have to write questions also. Answer the following in detail. Now, this is the only worksheet, these 5 questions, but they have to be answered in detail.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there is a MM15. Ma'am, what is the meaning of this one? Ma'am,
Marks, beta, these are marks. Maximum marks 15.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
the 5 questions, we have to write only two foreigners' names.
Yes, beta. And you have to tell what do their accounts tell us. They left some accounts for us, so what do they tell us?
Ma'am, I was reading the questions, so I got this different. After that, what is it?
Beta, in which one you're asking? Question number, differentiate. Okay, differentiate between archaeological source and literary source of history. You have to tell differences. Now, how many differences can you tell? You can tell 3 differences.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we write questions and answers.
Yes, beta, you will write questions and answers both.
Ma'am means we write every question then answer.
Yes, first write question. No, you can write it anyways, beta. If you want to write all the questions first, write them.
Okay.
Ma'am, now which you're giving these worksheets, ma'am, will you will you give us marks for every worksheet?
Beta, what are you saying? Marks for every worksheet? It's just for your practice.
Ma'am,
You will get these kind of questions in exams with this much weightage of marks. That's all, beta. It is for your practice. I'm not going to add these marks anywhere.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we only have to write answers.
Beta, you have to write questions also.
Ma'am, can we write these answers in our own words?
Yes, of course, beta, you can write them.
Ma'am, please read question 3.
What?
Ma'am, please read question 3.
Question 3 is differentiate between archaeological source and literary source of history.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what is written after question in question 3, first letter?
Differentiate. Differentiate is to tell difference. It means to tell difference.
Madam, I have write all the questions. I write the answers.
Yes, now put correct number and right answer.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in the fourth one, what example can we write?
Beta, there is a name given in the book. You can look into the book and find the name. There is one autobiography and biography.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
you can write
understand the name.
their names,
And,
one name for each.
and ma'am, in the difference, we can make a column and then write.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, we only have 4 minutes.
What, beta?
We only have 4 minutes.
No problem. You can continue the work tomorrow also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, send your WhatsApp. Ma'am, I want 4 questions. And send your WhatsApp group.
Excuse me, ma'am, what is written in fifth question? Name the dash.
Name the foreigners. Name the foreigners who visited India.
Okay, ma'am.
It's ma'am, these all question answers are also of chapter 1.
What? These question
Ma'am,
answers?
Ma'am, these question answers is of chapter 21 also.
21? Which is chapter 21? What are you saying?
One.